I can breathe a sigh of relief. Something came in the mail today. It's my passport. It's my passport. It's my passport. Hey brother, it's me, your sister, and I'm so excited. Let me tell you why I'm excited. In this little rose gold pouch is my very own passport. It's really official. Like, I wasn't able to get too excited because I didn't have a passport, so I had to like have my passport application expedited. And that process. Okay, brother. So, let me take a sip. Hold on. Okay. So Thursday of last week, this has been a crazy week. So Thursday of last week, I go to the post office and submit my application to get everything taken care of. And the day before, I went to CVS to get my passport photo taken. They're like, take off your glasses. Like, yeah, I figured that. I was like, oh, it was busted. Like, I look weird without my glasses. So I took my glasses off, took the picture. So on Thursday over lunch, I go to the post office, show them the picture, like, that's unacceptable. What do you mean this is unacceptable? My ears weren't visible in the picture, so I guess you gotta be like this. Okay. And you can't smile, so you're like, that's not appealing. So I was like, okay, well, there's a CVS right around the corner from this post office. Let me go over there and like let them know, like, yo, the other CVS messed up on my picture. I need a new picture and I'm not paying for it. So she takes my picture, right? She takes 2 pictures. I'm waiting for her to get everything printed out. And she's like, does this look fuzzy to you? If you gotta ask the question if something look or something, yes, it's fuzzy. If you think it's fuzzy, it's fuzzy. So I'm like, yes, it's fuzzy. Well, let me print the other one. Print it. She prints it. That one's fuzzy too. You know, just give me my money back. I ain't got time to deal with you guys. So I go back to the post office. They take my picture there. And the guy was like, okay, so we need $60 because you're expediting it. I'm already paying for a company to expedite the passport. I got to pay you money too to expedite it? Okay, I got to come back. And anyway, I didn't have an itinerary because I didn't know for sure, like, if I'm going or not. So I get back to work. The express passport company that we utilize sent me a template to get a letter on company letterhead stating that I need to travel for business and I need this passport expedited. All right, get that all done. So I go to the post office down the street from the office. office. I go to the post office down the street from where I work. I get there and the debit and credit card machines are broken. I'm like, oh my gosh, I hope like the regular, whatever system they use to do the postage, I hope that works. So it works. So the guy helps me out and he's like, I haven't done a passport. Dad? I'm like, oh my goodness, I got newbies working on my pass. This is not like a standard I need this passport. I need it. So Deb comes over there and she's reading through the binder and she's like, okay, she's reading through it. Make sure you fill out everything in black ink. Why are you using blue ink? Oh my goodness. So they make a copy of it. So it looks like it's on black ink. Thank you. So we're going through. They get it done. It takes like 15 minutes. Not too bad. I leave. I'm driving back to the office. I get a phone call from a number I don't recognize. I don't pick those up. So the person leaves a message. It's Dad from the post office. Can you come back to the post office? There's something that we forgot to put into the packet. So since I'm using another service to send everything to, so then they can go to the travel, passport, whatever agency to get it processed. They had to write hand carry. Post office had to write hand carry on the envelope and sent it to me. So I had to go back to the post office. They tore off the seal, put in whatever paperwork they were missing, put it into a new envelope, sealed it, and it had to be with brown tape. Sealed it with brown tape, put the postmark stamp all along the seal of the tape in the envelope so it could show proof that, this hasn't been tampered with. Get back to the office. And so now I call the express passport company. What's my next step? Well, I was supposed to put something in the packet. I'm like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So fortunately, I guess it worked in my favor that the post office messed up, because when I went back, they were like, oh no, what do we do? I was like, no, 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 it's me. Can you open this? And, oh yeah, there's something in the packet that needs to make, can you make a copy of that? Because I got to put that on top of the envelope with 2 other things, and then put something into the envelope. It was a mess. Anyway, you get it taken care of. I go to FedEx, ship it. This is Friday of last week. Everything's good. So now I'm just waiting. It's supposed to get overnight. It's going to be at the Express Passport place on Monday. All right, very good. Here we go. So Monday, it was the day after my birthday, I found out that yes, I'm one of the selected people. Yes, I'm going to Switzerland. And then I find out that my application didn't make it to the Express Passport people. Like, what, are you serious? Hold on, brother, hold on. So I was off Monday, you know, to kind of celebrate my birthday, which didn't really turn into much of a celebration because I had tire issues. So I get to work on Tuesday. That's another story. Get to work on Tuesday. I decide, well, let me make sure, like, you know, everything got there. And that's when I realized that my application didn't get delivered. It was chilling in Memphis over the weekend. I don't know what it was doing in Memphis, but I look at the tracking. It left Indianapolis, left Greenfield, went to Indianapolis, left Indianapolis, went to Memphis. Saturday morning it was in Memphis. It didn't leave Memphis until Tuesday morning today. I'm checking. What you doing in Memphis? So I'm like, oh, I can't deal with this. I'm supposed to fly out the following week. What? So I called the Express Passport people. We figured some things out. They were like, okay, we're gonna expedite the expedited and get everything taken care of. Please do it now. Hurry. And so they said, okay, well, we'll ship it out on Saturday. Can you ship it to my home? Because I'm not going to be at work on Saturday. So they shipped it to my home. Okay, brother. So yesterday was Saturday. And so they said it was going to get delivered by 10 a.m. I can't sleep because I want to make sure I'm, like, if they ring the doorbell and I need to sign, even though they said I didn't need to sign for anything, I want to make sure, like, if I do need to sign for something, I'm awake. So I can't sleep. About 9:45, you know, our house sits facing the main county road, so I saw this big FedEx truck go by. I'm like, okay. So I go sit in the ottoman by the front door, and I'm waiting. Where the FedEx truck? I saw you go by, FedEx. Where the FedEx truck? Where you at, FedEx? I'm calling you out. Where you at, FedEx? Okay, so I see FedEx go down through the neighborhood, from the main street in the neighborhood, going out towards the exit. Oh, FedEx, where are you going? You're supposed to stop at my house. Where are you going, FedEx? Where are you going? So now I'm thinking, like, what do I need to do? Do I need to call FedEx and say that, yo, y'all messed up where my passport at? What's going on, FedEx? Well, 5 minutes later, I see a FedEx van come through the neighborhood. Stop outside my door. I'm like, okay, yes, FedEx is here. And yes, FedEx came and delivered my passport. So now I can be super excited. So I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. I'll tell you more later, brother, but I gotta go. But yay! I'm going to Switzerland.